Hey everybody, this is Chris Bergeron, and I'm going to show you on .loop how to go ahead and create an amendment. So you're going to click on the loop you want to go to, and so remember the difference between amendments and addendums. You've probably heard about both. An amendment is when you are changing something on the contract, and an addendum is when you are adding something to the contract. So most of the time, if you want to, like, say, change the closing date or change the purchase price or change the closing cost assistance or anything like that, that's always going to be on an amendment. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to the loop, and we are going to click on Add Document right here, and we're going to go to Templates. We're going to scroll down to where it says the No More Interactive Forms right here. It might ask you to log in again. And once we're there, you are going to type in the search bar amendment, and it's this one, the amendment to Louisiana Agreement to Buy or Sell. Click that, copy, and go ahead and click OK. So it'll pop up right here on your loop. So this is what we want. So from here, you are basically just going to fill out the date and the buyer and the seller. And down here, we are going to actually reference the lines that we want to change according to the original contract. So right here, let's say we want to change the closing cost assistance from the seller. Like, for example, let's say we have some kind of credit that the seller is giving the buyer, so they're giving them more closing costs than we originally intended. So you would type in the line for whatever that references, which closing cost reference line 69, and then you would type something like seller to pay, let's just say $5,000 of buyer's closing costs and prepaids. So basically what we're doing here is we're saying that the seller is going to pay $5,000 of the buyer's closing costs and prepaid. So whatever it says on the original contract no longer matters. This is what the number that we're going off of. And then you're going to send the signed amendment to the lender and to the title company so that everyone is on the same page. After you fill out this and whatever else you need to fill out, you are going to get them to sign it, and you are going to have it saved. And also keep in mind you want to have your name here as the selling agent's name, and when the sellers sign this document, they will have their client sign here, and then they will have the listing agent's name here. So that's pretty much how you make an amendment.